This is about to be my favorite hairstyle for summer 2021. She rocking the braid out all summer long. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm showing you how I do a braid out on my 10 weeks post relaxed hair. For the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you first subscribe and second click that bell. Click it, subscribe and click it, and make sure you follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt for fashion, beauty, and of course hair inspiration. Okay lovey, so your girl is 6 weeks post relaxer and I wanted to try out a braid out. I haven't done a braid out on my relaxed hair and I thought this would be a great time to experiment and try a braid out. So let's get into this video of how I achieve this full defined fluffy braid out. Keep watching. Okay, so I already started my hair and then I thought to myself, Sharon, you should record this process of you trying this new technique for a braid out. So I parted my hair like this because I want a deep middle part. Just part your hair first and then go ahead and braid your hair, so when you do take down your braids, your hair comes out how you want it to lay, how you want your hair to fall. Now I'm going to moisturize and detangle my hair. I'm going to use the As I Am So Much Moisture as my moisturizer. Then I'm going to detangle my hair, part it, then apply Eco Styler Gel to that section and braid my hair. To finish off the braid, I will put a perm rod at the end. Then I will repeat the same steps until I finish my whole head. If you don't know how to cornrow, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. Your girl barely can cornrow herself. I mean, I can cornrow for protective styles and for braid outs, but I can't do like really nice cornrows for like just to wear out. They're good for under the wig. So I can't help you there, but there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube, so just search how to braid or how to cornrow and I'm sure YouTube got you. Now when it came time to braid the sides of my hair, the front half of my hair to the side, your girl was struggling. As you can see, it was struggle city trying to braid my hair in that direction. So I had to turn my body in the direction that made it seem like I was braiding my hair straight back, if that makes sense. So I had to make it work. I got it done, but like I said, it was a struggle. Definitely need to practice on braiding my hair to the side and in different patterns, but I did it. So like I said, I can't teach you how to cornrow, girl. I'm barely doing it myself. I'm barely getting it myself. So I am all done and this is what the braid pattern is looking like. So now I am going to leave this in overnight and the next day I will take down my hair for the big reveal, but you guys already know my hair is bomb, so I will see you the next day. Okay lovey, so it is the next day and I'm going to take out my cornrows, my flexi rods. This thing is always, there's always something falling off my wall and I cannot So I guess it's time for me to do some repairs, some tweaks to my wall. If you want to see how I came up with the concept of my vision wall, check out my vision wall video for some inspiration. So first I'm going to put some oil on my hair, well, on my hands. Okay, look at the little curl. Okay, it's pretty defined and with a little curl at the end. So this is the first time I've done my hair like this, a braid out with my relaxed hair, and also the first time I used this technique of a braid out. When I was natural, I used to do braid outs all the time, but I never used the perm rise at the end. I always just did like straight back cornrows, maybe like 5 to 6 cornrows, and that was it. So this is a different technique, but I'm super excited for the final results. So I'm gonna fast forward, just keep watching. Unraveled my hair. This is what it's looking like, and I'm loving all the volume. Feeling like I'm natural again, but of course I'm not. Don't get it twisted, I'm not. Now, you know you gotta get your pick, your trusty pick. Everybody need a pick, natural or relaxed, you need a pick. And I am going to pick out my roots to give it more volume and to get rid of those parts from the cornrows. I'm gonna go from the root up, and this is perfect for me because I am 10 weeks post relaxer, so your girl has a lot of new growth, and that's what a good braid out needs, in my opinion. A good braid out needs some new growth. You want the appearance of your hair to be thicker and fuller. This is my chance to relive my natural days. So I'm just gonna pick all over. Okay, so let's slick these edges down. Get the makeup off my edges so it doesn't mix in with the gel, even though it's going to. Okay, so this is the final results. I am loving my braid out. I am shocked. I wasn't sure how my braid out would turn out, being that I'm relaxed. I know braid outs look good on thick, full, fluffy hair, and I thought because my hair was relaxed I might not get the same effect, but honey, was I wrong, okay? And I think me being 10 weeks post relaxer helped with the thickness and the fullness of my braid out. So I'm definitely going to incorporate braid outs in my routine. When I say I am loving my hair like this, ooh, in love with it. One thing I will do next time is, because I was having a hard time braiding my hair this way, I don't know, I could braid my hair back. I can even braid my hair maybe to this side, but when I'm going to this side with the cornrow, I was struggling. Your girl was struggling. I had to turn and tilt my way and trying to finesse it, and I think because I couldn't braid as well going this way, this side isn't as defined, so I will do smaller sections, like smaller braids in the front half of my hair. Also, I will add more gel. I did use more gel on this side, and I did use like a smaller amount of gel on this side. So I will add more gel so it could be more defined, because I noticed that this side is more frizzy. It's not as defined as this side. See, like, because some of these, like this piece right here, it's limp. So that's why I would braid smaller. But also, I did work out. My rollers kept falling out in my sleep. So that's the only thing I would do and change. But other than that, this technique is good to go. I'm loving everything about it. Usually, you know, when you have a braid out and you don't roll your ends, they are like straight. It just lays straight and it goes outwards. I love how my ends are curled. When I say your girl is shook, is shocked, this braid out is everything. I'm getting all the volume I wanted, all the fullness, the thickness. I'm loving it. I'm definitely giving you natural girl vibes. I am loving my hair. Do you need more hairstyles, affordable hairstyles for your relaxed hair? Check out my cheap hairstyle video for when you're trying to be bougie on a budget. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever done a braid out on your relaxed hair. Also, let me know if you're loving this look on me. Are you loving this look? Are you loving this braid out on me? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for relaxed hair content and more. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it.